Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Perplexity for competitor research, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Perplexity. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. On the home page, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. After filling in your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Wait for the page to load as your credentials are verified. Once you are logged in, you will see the Perplexity dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the search functionality for competitor research. You can now begin your research by inputting your desired competitor's name. Explore the available features to gather valuable insights. Consider saving your findings for future reference. Remember to log out after completing your research for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.